Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to translate and rewrite text using OnePlus AI on OnePlus phone or tablet. First off, you'll need to if you want to translate it, you'll need to go to Translate app. This is the OnePlus's Translate app, and you can simply paste the text or type it in the text that you want to translate. Also select the languages. You can see it's now set from simplified Chinese to English. I don't really want to translate it from simplified Chinese. I'll select maybe Polish, and I'll just write something, then I'll translate it. Okay, so I just pasted it. You can see it's sort of a social media post, and it has translated, and I think it did a pretty good job. I can copy it with this double square button. Now it is copied, and as I also said, we'll be rewriting the text. And rewriting is available with OnePlus's AI options, which are available in the smart bar. A smart bar is this little bar on the, either side of the screen that can be slid towards the center and has some different options. If you don't have this bar, go to the settings, accessibility and convenience, then go to smart sidebar. Make sure smart sidebar and smart functions are both enabled, and then go into an app that supports it. I don't really understand why you need to go into an app that supports it, but there just are a few that do, and I think it's the best to just go to notes. I'll create a new note, then open smart functions. Click on AI writer, and now I'll go to rewrite option. Let's paste the text. You can press and hold and click on paste. And now scroll down a little bit. It's a bit difficult to do that, but yeah, you should go to the options. This is what we're trying to achieve. Just select either shorten, continue writing, elaborate, or polish. I'll select polish, so it'll fix some grammar if there are some grammar mistakes and all of that, and also will improve the vocabulary a bit. And you can see it's now rewritten, and if you want, you can just copy it. You can also rewrite it again, or change the tone to formal, casual, or polite. I'll set it to casual. I think it's a bit too casual, but it's not too bad. I'll just copy it. Now you can paste it into your social media or anywhere else. I'll paste it into my notepad, so I just have it saved, and later on I can use it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.